As Ms. Talbot says, there's a new type of business writing. Let's examine the kind of writing you might be asked to engage in to develop your company's social media presence. Well, it's marketing, of course, but it's a new kind of marketing. In the good old days, we would produce slick brochure and television ads, if we could afford it, and hope that at least some of those got into the hands and eyes of potential customers. It's much more targeted now. I'm sure you've heard the term big data. Companies use large data sources about customer behaviors on social media platforms such as Facebook to target their campaigns toward just those potential customers who are the most likely to buy. When you finish watching this video, go to the article on the following page for some insights in how big data and marketing are connected. But this is a writing class, so let's turn to how writing for social media is so very different from writing memos and business letters. Not everyone will do this, but can you imagine CEO Mark Zuckerberg without a Facebook presence? He appears to have 4.8 million followers. We used to have a distinct from us to them style of writing in marketing brochures and even on our websites. That has changed. The best marketing now is a two-way street. It's a conversation. This is pretty hard to swallow for an old school CEO who is used to telling people what to think. We used to print pretty glossy pages using stock photos of smiling people, informing them about all the great services or products we had for them. You don't inform on social media, you engage. How do you do that? Social media is all about forming and keeping a connection between you, the provider of something, and me, the consumer of that something. Let's say I have a new iPad and I can't figure out how to do something. What do? Do I go to the company Apple website? Hardly. I first search for what I'm trying to figure out, such as how to edit my photos. Running the search, I'll probably find 100 how-to videos on YouTube, quite a lot of tweets on Twitter, and probably an I hate iPad page on Facebook. I'll check those and probably add my own comments. It would be a silly company that wasn't connected to those channels. By being connected, they can add and correct information, direct me to other sites that explain it better, etc. They might even get me to thank someone for having helped me. It's a conversation. The first question is, what's your storyline? Take Starbucks, for example. Their Facebook site has 35 million followers. Why? Well, yes, they offer ads and discounts, but that's not the main focus of their page. In fact, the main focus is on customers and locations. The posts are most certainly curated. The word curated means that someone has edited the post so that only positive ones are shown. Another focus of theirs is involvement in local issues. On the day I visited, one story with accompanying video was supporting Gay Pride Month, and another was about donating to Puerto Rico, which was still hurting after Hurricane Maria. Check their Facebook page to see what's featured now. So think about your own employment situation. What can your business focus on that will resonate with potential customers? For visitors to share our site, you need to excite them. What excites? Well, here are a few pointers. Some of these are also mentioned in the textbook. First of all, post some memorable memes. If you don't know what a meme is, Google it. Lists and tips are very often shared, so those are good ones. Grab their emotions. Oh, those puppy videos. Put in some words of wisdom. Quotes are good. Get a great slogan. How about just do it? Remember who did that? And make an unforgettable call to action. Free pizza. Last but not least, be short. Okay, so Twitter has upped its character limit to 280, but purists still say the original was best. What's your business story? What good have you done other than make a gazillion bucks? If Starbucks is donating coffee plant seeds to Puerto Rico, what can you donate or support? Perhaps others in your business will do the actual writing, but one thing every social media site needs is constant, fresh content. You can be one of the ones who contribute to that. So I'm issuing you, and myself, a challenge. In our discussion in this module, let's limit ourselves to 140 characters. I'm pretty sure you'll do 1,000 times better than I will. By the way, this paragraph has 690 characters. So let's be short and let's go to it. Thank you.